Here's some Match Factory Fire trivia. Subscribe. What nickname did survivors use to refer to the event? Is it A, Triangle Fire, B, Dust Bowl, C, Great Fire, or D, Black Plague? The correct answer is A, Triangle Fire. Which organization formed after the incident focused on safety? Is it A, Workplace Safety Alliance, B, American Society of Safety Engineers, C, Safety First Coalition, or D, Occupational Safety Administration? The correct answer is B, American Society of Safety Engineers. What protective measure gained importance post-1911? Is it A, safety helmets, B, personal protective gear, C, fire escape plans, or D, ventilation standards? The correct answer is D, ventilation standards. What aspect of workplace conditions was scrutinized? Is it A, air quality, B, parking availability, C, fire safety, or D, noise levels? The correct answer is C, fire safety. Which labor movement rose in response to tragedies like this? Is it A, unionization efforts, B, strikes, C, protests, or D, sit-ins? The correct answer is A, unionization efforts. What was the aftermath regarding compensation? Is it A, government insurance, B, unlimited liability, C, employer pay raise, or D, limited worker compensation? The correct answer is D, limited worker compensation. What was published to honor the victims? Is it A, charity event, B, documentary film, C, public speech, or D, memorial services? The correct answer is D, memorial services. What type of safety regulations were called for? Is it A, workplace safety, B, occupational standards, C, product labeling, or D, building codes? The correct answer is D, building codes. What is a common legacy of the Match Factory fire? Is it A, new production techniques, B, workplace automation, C, increased salaries, or D, fire safety reform? The correct answer is D, fire safety reform. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.